that pattern holds, then Bitcoin should continue to make gains from here as it tracks up to match M2. Now let's move on to our final chart, Bitcoin compared to the M2 money supply. And actually, we've got a bonus comparison here too, Bitcoin as it measures against gold. It's pretty clear from the lines on the first chart here that Bitcoin follows M2, broadly speaking. It's not a direct slave to it. It tends to have quite a bit of a lag, in fact. Bitcoin lagging M2 by anywhere from 70 to 140 days, something like that. If that pattern holds, then Bitcoin should continue to make gains from here as it tracks up to match M2. But again, it would be a case of this time is different if Bitcoin did not make new highs later on from here, and this chart projects $167,000 as the next target, which generally lines up with a lot of things we've talked about, a lot of different charts we've talked about here. The correlation here puts Bitcoin at $185,000 if that pattern holds. Again, we've talked long period here about the next local peak coming in between 150 to 180 kBTC, so it's not out of bounds, to be honest. The important message, the important takeaway here is that liquidity leads, hard assets respond. Bitcoin is already heading in the same direction as gold, which means that this cycle is definitely not done yet. But we trade what's in front of us. And to put things in perspective, ask yourself this: if equities continue to rise, gold and silver have farther still to rally, and capital is moving away from fiat, then what are the odds that Bitcoin doesn't make further gains in the coming months?